Come with me to see my chiropractor, Dr. Johnny.
Yay!
I started seeing Dr. Johnny about a year ago when I was training for the New York City Marathon, having some back pain. And I was skeptical because I didn't really know what a chiropractor did, but Dr. Johnny helped me be the strongest version of myself to crush the marathon. And now that my goals have changed, I learned that it's not just for pain relief, but it's also preventative. It's about maintenance before I get an injury. Dr. Johnny knows that I'm an athlete who likes to play golf and run, and that my ultimate goal is to feel like the strongest version of myself. And so I see Dr. Johnny about once a month. We do adjustments and cupping and muscle scraping, and he helps me feel amazing.